Today we're going to do multiplying and dividing monomials. Thing you need to know about monomial is a number, a variable, or a product. A multiplication of a number and variables. Okay, of numbers and variables. The first thing you need to know that we're going to do today is a product of powers. Okay, this is the rule when you're doing a product of powers, meaning you're multiplying the same bases. They have different exponents. What we do is we don't change the base. Right? A has not changed. What we do is we add the exponents. So when you multiply bases, you add exponents. So here we have 2 to the 4th times 2 to the 3rd. My rule says the base doesn't change, and I add the exponents, which gives me 2 to the 7th power. Any questions? 4 3rd times 4 5th. My base does not change, and I add the exponents. 3 plus 5 is 8. So I get 4 to the 8th power. Let's do the bottom one. 6 times 6 to the 4th. There's an understood 1 there. Just because it's not there doesn't mean you don't know this is being raised to the 1 power. It's just like when we have variables, 1's in front. Even though it's not written that, it's an understood 1. This is understood 1. So I add the exponents. 6 to the 5th is my answer. Write this down. B squared times B squared. B does not change. I add the exponents. 2 and 2 is 4. Any questions? No. 2x cubed times 8x to the 4th. What I do is I multiply everything I can. I can multiply 2 and 8. So I combine those. That's 16. Then I multiply the bases. X cubed and x to the 4th. Leaves me an x. X does not change. And what I do is I add the exponents. When I multiply bases, I add the exponents. So this is 16x to the 7th.
Wait. Okay, sorry.
Quotient of powers. We were doing product of powers. Where we're multiplying bases, we added exponents. So someone raise your hand and tell me what we do if we divide the bases. Carson? We subtract them. A to the m, divide by a to the n. The base does not change. What we do is we just subtract the exponents. M minus n. So here we have 3 to 6, divide by 3 squared. Okay, so my rule says when we divide bases, I subtract the exponents, which leaves you 3 to the 4th power. Write this down. B to the 7th divided by B to the 6th. So we take 7 minus 6, since we're dividing the bases, we subtract the exponents. 7 minus 6 is 1. It's an understood 1. We don't write it. Okay, you don't write B to the 1 power. So my answer is B. Here's your assignment.